Hey there, welcome to the Interactions and Animations course. My name is Darko and I'm really excited to show you how to create amazing animations for your website. We're going to start simple, step by step, so if you're new to this, don't worry. By the end of this course, you'll be able to create amazing animations for your website and, most importantly, you won't need a single line of code to achieve that. Let's be real. Animations are what make a website pop. Without them, your website can feel kinda boring, right? But with the right animations, websites feel more smoother, more engaging, and overall better. The Divhunt interaction system is very wide. It spans from creating simple animations to creating advanced web applications. In this course, we're going to cover only the basics, we're going to create a few simple animations, and in the future courses, we're going to cover some advanced parts. So, without further ado, let's begin creating. For example, imagine this static page versus this one where things move and grab your attention. Which one would you prefer? The cool part here is that with Divhunt you don't need to write a single line of code to create stunning animations. Everything is visual. You can set events, add actions and tweak CSS properties right here. This is like your control center. It's where you'll manage everything. Timing, animations, all of it. And don't worry, it's super easy once you get the hang of it. So what's the plan? With this course we'll start with the basics, like setting up your first animation. Then we'll go to the fun stuff where we'll add some actions, customize animations, and use the timeline to bring it all together. By the end you'll be able to create awesome animations and interactions for your website, and trust me, it's way easier than it sounds. That will be everything for the intro. I'll see you in the lesson 2 where we'll customize our very first animation event. See you there.